5th fret there. Here's the riff. I'm in the key of A minor, using the A minor blues scale. Again, the key is the bar. Here's the A minor chord, and here's the riff. 5/8, 5/8, 5/6/7, 5/7, 5/7/8, 5/8, 5/8. Again, just the A minor blues scale. Use any song in A minor. I picked a Dylan song since everybody's talking about the Dylan movie. E, D, and A minor. You may be an ambassador to England or France. You might like to gamble. You might like to dance. Oh, you may be the heavyweight champion of the world. Socialite with a long string of pearls. But you know you got to serve somebody. You got to serve somebody. It may be the devil, Lord, it may be the Lord. But you know you got to serve somebody. Might be on your turf. You might be the head of some big TV network, yeah. You might be a businessman, some high DVD. They might call you doctor, they might call you chief, but you know you got to serve somebody. You got to serve somebody. It may be the devil, it may be the Lord, but you got to serve somebody. Be a preacher, preaching spiritual pride. You might be a city councilman taking bribes on the side. Hey, you may be working in a barber shop, you may not know how to cut hair. You may be somebody's mistress or somebody's heir, but you know you got to serve somebody. You got to serve somebody. It may be the devil, it may be the Lord, oh, but you got to serve somebody. All right, Guitar Bobby. I hope that was fun for me. I hope that was good for you. And again, message me on my channel, and I'll be happy to respond if you have any questions. Peace, always.